Good morning. Let us understand another experiment of optics. See, here we are interested to find out focal length of convex mirror. This is the convex mirror using convex lens. This is a convex lens. I repeat once again, aim of this experiment is to find out focal length of convex mirror using convex lens. This is convex mirror, this is convex lens. Let us understand basic of this one. Here you can see that this is convex mirror we have. Can I say it is a part of a sphere whose radius of curvature is PC, or we can say capital R. So C is the center of curvature. So if I can find out position of P and C, then difference of this one will give us radius of curvature, and half of that distance is nothing but focal length of convex mirror. This is a basic idea. So what we can do, we cannot get the image through this one. So we are actually trying to get the image using convex lens. So here generally we keep at particular fixed position. I generally keep the position of mirror, that is P, fixed position, and suppose say it is 40. I put near about 10 centimeter away distance. Say it is 40, so position is 30. Now with trial and error, this is O is P, is the object P. By trial and error, if I set in such a way that I can get its image itself on the same position by principle of reversibility. What is that? Let us understand. This ray starts from here, it refracts, refracted ray comes at the mirror, it reflects back or retraces the path again. So we can say the image is formed in the same position. Same way for other two also. This is nothing but reversibility principle. So I can get the image over here. What is the meaning of this one? We can say why it is retracing over here from the mirror. Because it is at 90 degree. You can see it is 90 degree over here. So with the along the normal, when ray is incident, it retraces its path again. That we have studied in laws of reflection. So similarly it happens. If it is 90 degree, I can say it is also 90 degree. And if 90 degree, it is only possible for the circle. Any radius is always normal to the circle that we have studied in the lower classes. So we can say that if I remove this one, the remote position is shown over here. So now instead of reflection, it further moves ahead and they meet together at one point I. This point is nothing but center of curvature. You can see from the first two diagram. This point is C, where I can get the final image. This is the basic idea behind this one. So if we keep some of the things fixed, it will be easy for us to put the readings. Say it is 40. I'm keeping this 40, it is fixed. I'm taking it 30. It is kept over here also. And it is 30. And by trial and error method, we can get its image. If we see the image, we can get the image. As you see, this is the its image. Just above it, it is coming. So once you observe this one, no doubt that, and if I remove this one as it is shown in a second diagram, and by trial and error method, if I set the image pin, I can see the image also set by trial and error method. You can see that is also set. Now for this we have took the observations, and let us understand how to calculate this. We have taken the readings, like as I have told you that convex mirror, I am keeping it 40 fixed for both the readings. Now I am taking image at 64. This is 40, this is 64 is there. Now it was 30, but you can see in this whole table we do not require position of lens L and O, so not written. That you can want to note down, you can note down, no problem, but otherwise not required for this purpose. You can write at some rough spaces. Now you can see difference of these two, P and C or P and I, that will give us radius of curvature R, and half of that is 12. I have moved slightly, this is within a half centimeter, 30 position I have decrease or increase, I can say this position slightly change, and because of that slight change in final image it is 65. Difference is in place of 24 it is 25, half of distance is 12.5 instead of 12. Average of these two is this one. You can take more two readings also, and ultimately we can get the focal length of convex mirror using convex lens. Thank you.